So I wanted to take a few minutes to show you guys this awesome new prospecting tool that's going to allow you to prospect for new clients, new customers, generate leads, and then not only prospect, but also give you a report that you can send to your potential clients. And so what I'm looking here is the new prospecting feature here, as you see. And what you are looking at here is this search bar. And I'm saying restaurants near me, real estate businesses near me, car dealers, law offices near me, dental clinics, etc. So what I wanted to do was just kind of give you a quick rundown how you can use this to potentially sell your SaaS, sell your services, sell your agency services, whether it's reputation management or your directory listings, Yext, web chat, or Google My Business messaging. So this will give you a quick idea of where they're at, and you can send this to the client, the prospect, whether you're doing email marketing or maybe you are going to print it and send it to them. Maybe you're sitting down with them and you just want to show it to them, which I've done that several times. Or maybe you're doing a Zoom call and you can show them the link. So let me just show you kind of how this works. So let's just go dental clinic, and let's just pick in Baltimore and hit here. And now look at this. It's going to pull all of these different, dental practices in the area. And what's cool about this is that you can pick any one of these. And what it's going to do is add the prospect and run a quick report for them. So, and it takes a couple of minutes. So I'll just show you real quick. I'll go ahead and run one, and we can pick any one of these here. So I just went ahead and picked this one right here, this specific contact here. Don't know these people, just picked one. And if you look here, it's going to show their online health score, listings found, and listings not found. So you've got 14 listings not found. Now it is showing that the phone number that they have listed on their Google Business is text enabled, but a lot of times you'll see that it's red right there. So it'll give you an opportunity to add connect it with Google My Business on here into the software, and whether you're offering your SaaS or maybe just the agency version. And so that'll allow you to them to get that phone number, so that when somebody messages through Google My Business or text or calls, that'll go right into the platform there. Another part of the report here just shows that 70% of their listings are not correct. And by the way, this is a lot of businesses. We're not picking on this one specific here. If they're not running directory listings, then they're going to probably have a lot of misinformation, because there's so many different sites out there that no one can really go out and claim them all. So you could go in and offer them your service, through Yext, and offer them that as part of your plan, whether you're on the, regardless of which plan you're on, you can go in there and sell that to them, whether you're selling it for, $97 a month or, more than that or less. But that cleans all that up for them. So anyway, you show them this. They're showing they've got 4 reviews. Well, it's actually showing 5 Google Business reviews right here, and they've got 5 stars. So that's cool that they've got 5 reviews showing in there. And so if you scroll down here, here's where it's interesting. Bing is showing an address here on Ritchie Highway. Yelp is showing an address here on Bella Road. Right here it says Baltimore Implant Center. Right here it says Dental Implants. Under Chamber of Commerce, it's showing Baltimore Implant Center with that Ritchie Highway. And so you can see as just looking at these, they've got multiple addresses. So maybe they moved locations, or maybe this is just incorrect information here. So what you'll see here too is that Facebook doesn't appear to be connected to this specific Google location. I'm sure they have a Facebook page, but it's not specifically connected. So the point here is that they are found on these different things, but there's just incorrect information there. It seems to be not matching. So you could go in there and offer your services, the Yext service, and it would make all of these addresses and all of these phone numbers and all the business names correct all the way down the road, down through the list here. So anyway, just thought that would be a cool service that you might want to check out. And if you want to get started with it, obviously it's in the high level platform. If you're a marketing agency, you can click below. There's a the link there to check the service out. But once you get set up with it, whether you're doing the trial or not, you'll be able to go in and just start prospecting. So just go to prospecting and do like we just did, and you can start using the tool. Now, if you want to share the report, you just click share the report, and there you go. There's you a link. You can also open the link, in front of them if you're with them or something like that. If you feel comfortable, you could show them this. You could also, download the report and put it in a PDF and send it to them. So anyway, just a really cool way to generate leads and prospects and send them something that doesn't cost you anything. I mean, it's a free prospecting service, free prospecting tool. So if you're looking, if you have an industry or niche that you're looking for, or maybe you're working with small businesses in a specific market, just go through and type all of those in there, send it to them. Just cost you, a little bit of time, and there you go. So anyway, if you're looking for the service, you want to get started, there's a link below. Just click in, check it out, and there's a lot of information. It's awesome service. A great way if you want to offer your SaaS marketing, you can offer SaaS to this, or maybe you just want to manage the service for them and set them up on it. Then get them started. Click the link below, get rolling with it, and it's an awesome way. If you get 1 or 2 clients, it covers the cost, and you're able to provide a great service for them. They're not going to be able to go out and they're not going to be able to do this themselves. So they need somebody like you to come along and help them, and they'll be willing to pay you for it, for cleaning it up, getting them their reviews lined up, getting their listings lined up. So anyway, hope that helps you.